Well, hello, Dr. Tsoli. It's lovely to be speaking with you today. We are all here today to announce that we are really proud to be presenting you with a check and the funding for your research, which is $196,000 US and $296,000 Australian. Thank you so much on behalf of the collaborative and of the Cure Starts Now. Thank you so much for the work you do, for our donors, our stakeholders, and all of our sponsors. This is the best part of what we do in being able to finally hand the money that we work so hard in raising over to such incredible researchers like yourself. So congratulations.
Thank you so much. This is amazing. Oh, it's been so nerve-wracking waiting for our meeting today. I've had a chocolate muffin and 3 coffees already, and it's only 10 o'clock. So thank you so much. I mean, this is absolutely exciting. I'm so grateful and ecstatic that you're giving me this opportunity to be able to explore this project through the DIPG collaborative. So thank you so much. So thank you so much for giving us that opportunity.
Thanks, Dr. Tsoli. My name's Kim Walk. I represent the Robert Connor Dawes Foundation, and we're a proud partner of the DIPG Collaborate. I actually saw your talk at the Australian Children's Brain Cancer Conference, which we all know is co-funded by the Cure Starts Now and others. And it was really inspiring. I've actually done work in that field myself. So it was great work. And I recall having a conversation with Keith. So this is something that we really like doing, the generational type grants. And they're very important in the collaborative to build upon and start this journey. So congratulations. Fantastic to see some Australian grants being given out as well this round, more so. And I wish you all the best. It's really fascinating research. I can say that from a very personal point of view, having been in the area myself. So all the best.
Sick.
I'd like to now introduce you to Jennifer.
Thank you.
Thank you. I'm Jennifer, and I am with the Cure Starts Now Caring for Keaton chapter in North Dakota in the United States. Our chapter is inspired by my son Keaton, who passed away the day after his 9th birthday. So I'm so glad to be part of this grant giving, because as the mother of a child who passed away from DIPG, it's just so wonderful to see research being done to help keep other children in their fight and help give them a chance. So I would like to introduce Tamara.
Nice to meet you.
Hi, Dr. Tsoli. I'm Tamara Ickes, and I represent the Reflections of Grace Foundation and the DIPG Collaborative. And we were one of the founding members of the collaborative. Our daughter Grace, just having the same mom connection. Our daughter Grace was just shy of her 6th birthday, and there were no options. And so forming the DIPG Collaborative and working together across the world, we are so, just really humbled to be able to allow you to do this research that we know is so crucial to families that are beyond our families, and beyond. And so we are so proud to be able to give you this and work very hard to be able to, support your incredible grant. So thank you very much for this opportunity.
Thank you too. And I promise you, we will work really hard. This specific project was really inspired by the DIPG Collaborative during one of the meetings that we've had, where there was a lot of, sort of really important discussion between parents, clinicians, and researchers. And there were parents that really asked a very crucial question, which was, what do we know about the blood-brain barrier, which is the brain vasculature, and how, how does it stop from, potentially life-saving therapies to get into the brain? And, this is what we really hope to do with this project, to answer this question that the parents really asked. Let me explain it a little bit sort of further. So this particular project will actually explore how the blood-brain barrier is affected by DIPG, and which we know it's extremely difficult to treat. One of our core findings was that DIPG is able to manipulate the blood-brain barrier and restrict it even more. So it kind of makes it in simple way, even tighter, which can really make it difficult for therapists to get across to the tumor, to the brain and to the tumor site. And what we're aiming with this grant is that we want to explore in more detail how DIPG really manipulates the brain vasculature. And we can find ways that we can target pathways that are important in the vascular cells to and identify what we call blood-brain barrier modulators to make the blood-brain barrier actually open up transiently, that means temporarily, so that we can allow anti-cancer therapies to go through. So the blood-brain barrier modulators that we want to identify and work with, they have to have the requirement that actually target pathways for which therapies already are existing. So these can be actually drugs that would be used for other clinical indications. Okay, so we already want to use agents that are already clinically available. And by doing so, we hope that in this way, we'll be able to enhance the drug delivery and obviously the effectiveness of, currently available anti-cancer drugs. So we hope in this way that we'll be able to accelerate treatment. So instead of going through the long-term pathway of developing new therapies, we want to be able to enhance currently available anti-cancer drugs to actually get into the brain.